Hi everyone, here we've got LG K22 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on the system. Now on the third position we've got date and time, so let's enter, and here we've got actually 4 different options which we can customize. So for example, first of all we can decide if you'd like to use the network provided time, and this option right now is active, or you can set it manually. So in order to do that, just tap on the switcher to turn off the network provided time, and now the date and time options are active, so we can freely tap on it, and from this calendar we can choose the date we want to set. So let me pick for example the September of 2020. Let's pick the 22nd of it and confirm with OK. The same situation with time, so simply tap on it, and from this clock just tap on the time you'd like to currently set, and remember to tap on OK, because if you will forget about it then you won't change the time. And as you can see, the new time is immediately applied to our status bar. Of course we can change the time zone. Now we are using network provided time. In order to set it manually, just tap on the switcher right here and tap on the time zone. Now let's tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available regions from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got a lot of options to choose from. All you have to do right now is simply find the one you'd like to apply and tap on it. Now you can choose the exact region, so let me pick for example Vancouver, and as you can see it is immediately applied. Let's get back, but be aware that after changing the time zone manually, the time will also change according to the time zone. Under it we've got the time format options, and here we can use local default, and after tapping on it we won't be able to use the clock format, so let me turn it off. And here now we are using 12-hour format, but if you'd like to use 24-hour format, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see it immediately changes. So actually this is how to change date and time in this device. So now let me show you how to get back to all previous settings, and all you have to do right now is simply tap on the switcher to use network provided time zone, and tap on this one to use network provided time. So actually that's all. This is how to change date and time in your LG K22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.